How to turn your iPhone off without power button. So this will allow you to turn your iPhone off by just touching the screen, not using the side buttons. So let's say, for instance, your iPhone, potentially you've had an issue with it where the buttons on the side are not working. Potentially it could be like water damage or something like that, to where you will only be able to use your screen. So this is how you're going to turn your iPhone off in that situation. So first of all, go to the settings menu here, then click on General in the settings menu. In there, you want to scroll down until you see the bottom part where you should be able to see just here it says shut down. You can go ahead and click on that. Then it will bring up this screen here where you want to slide the top off button to slide to power off, and then once you've got to the end on the right hand side there, that will turn your iPhone off. So in this situation you don't need to use the side buttons at all and your iPhone will turn off. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.